In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an invoice in QuickBooks. Whether you manage a small business or handle finances for a larger organization, having the ability to quickly duplicate an invoice can be a real lifesaver when it's time to tackle your bookkeeping tasks. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the main dashboard, which is essentially the command center where all the magic happens. Your eyes want to drift over to the left-hand menu bar. It's your control panel for all things QuickBooks. Look for the section labeled Sales. This area is crucial because it encompasses everything related to your incoming cash flow, essentially acting as the nerve center for managing your business's financial interactions. Once you've clicked on Sales, a drop-down will appear offering a few more specific categories. You'll want to select Invoices from this list. By clicking on Invoices, you'll be taken to a detailed page showing a comprehensive list of all your past invoices. It's from this list that you can locate the specific invoice you wish to duplicate. Now, keep an eye out for a small drop-down arrow situated to the right side of each invoice entry. This arrow is key to unveiling further options. Find the invoice you intend to copy and click on that drop-down arrow. A menu will pop up, presenting a variety of actions you can take. Among these, you'll find the Duplicate option. Go ahead and click on Duplicate. This simple action will create an exact replica of the invoice you've selected. QuickBooks will open up this duplicated invoice for you, offering you the opportunity to make any necessary changes. This is particularly useful if you need to update the date, tweak the item details, or fix any errors from the original invoice. It's crucial at this point to meticulously review all the details. Double-check the amounts, scrutinize the descriptions, and verify any customer details that might need an update. Once you're confident everything is accurate, it's time to hit that all-important Save button. You'll typically find this button either at the bottom or the top corner of the page. Give it a click, and with that, your revised invoice is securely saved and primed to be sent off to your customer. And just like that, in a few simple steps, we've successfully duplicated an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This small yet powerful tip can truly streamline your workflow, cutting down the time it takes to process similar transactions. I trust that you found this tutorial helpful and that it eases the burden of your bookkeeping tasks. Should you have any further questions or need additional support, do check out our other guides or reach out to your QuickBooks support team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.